Today we're exploring 5 simple life skills that can transform your everyday life. Let's get started.
Communication is the first skill. Expressing your thoughts clearly and listening actively opens doors in both personal and professional life. Even small conversations can create big impact.
Next is time management. Prioritizing tasks and planning your day wisely helps you achieve more without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, managing your time is managing your life. Problem solving is a skill that keeps you ahead. When challenges arise, break them into smaller parts and think creatively. A calm mind finds solutions faster and more effectively. Making decisions can be tough, but with clear priorities and confidence in yourself, you can choose wisely. Every decision shapes your future, so take it thoughtfully. Finally, emotional intelligence. Understanding your feelings and empathizing with others helps you navigate relationships smoothly. A mindful approach builds trust and harmony in your life. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life improve one skill at a time. Subscribe for more tips from Lifeloom.